Today I'm going to show you how to change the number of decimal places in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with financial data, percentages, or any calculations where you need precise control over how your numbers are displayed. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your recent spreadsheets and files. Simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to change the number of decimal places. This will open the file in Google Sheets, and you'll be able to see all your data laid out in the familiar grid format. Now comes the important part. Select all the data where you want to change the number of decimals. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells, or if you want to select an entire column or row, just click on the column letter or row number. Make sure you've highlighted everything you need to modify before moving forward. With your data selected, look toward the top of the screen and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From that menu, click on Number. This section is specifically designed for controlling how numerical data appears in your spreadsheet. After clicking Number, you'll see another menu appear, and from there, click on Custom Number Format. A dialog box will appear showing you the custom number format settings. This is where you'll input the specific format you want for your decimals. For example, if you want to change the number of decimal places to 2, simply type .00 in the input field. The dots represent the decimal point, and each 0 represents a decimal place. So .00 gives you 2 decimal places, .000 would give you 3, and so on. Once you've entered your desired format, click Apply to confirm your changes. The formatting will be applied instantly to all the selected cells, and you'll see your numbers now displaying with the exact number of decimal places you specified. This gives you complete control over how your data is presented and ensures consistency throughout your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully changed the number of decimal places in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.